Alright, welcome back YouTube. You already know all the vibes, man. Today's the part 2 of the day, man. My boy Aziz over here grubbing. That shit good? Looking at. So today, we about to summon this mountain today, ladies and gents. Yo, YouTube is gonna love this today, dog. Damn, these roads are so narrow. I know black people ain't used to being up on no mountain. Dog, yo, I just hope that there's not a car coming on this f***ing direction. Yo, as soon as I said that, whoa, these motorcycle boots is not hiking boots. Oh, oh shit. I'm getting up higher and higher than this motherfucker now. Damn. This is so vibey. Cut that shit up. Man's trying to fly.
Totally he be a millionaire.
Come on now. Today we bought reinforcements. Y'all know the vibes. Stop playing with us. Start that mug. Okay. Let's see what this exhaust is talking. There go my baby though. Okay. Yo, look, my boy rocking shorts on a bike. And then my boy on the one and only, legendary. Y'all know the vibes. So, let's get into this video, baby. Alright, ladies and gents, we are outie. Mountain. Yeah. He asked you which way are we going, not where are we going.
Hey, safe trip for everybody, dog.
Safe trip. I know, nigga, I'm making it. I'm trying to see what the vibe is, though. Woo-hoo!
Excellent. Impressive. Fight. Well done.
We're making this righty-tighty, baby. Oh, pothole.
We have eyes on the target, sir. I want you to make a choice. I want to play a game. Round 2. Fight!
Don't leave me. No.
Get over here!
No.
Outstanding. Flawless victory.
I got LTE. This shit is
We're recording now, nigga. Yeah, we recording now. Man, my audio broke. I said my foot cramping. Damn, my foot cramping, my fucking arm cramp. Look.
He needs some milk.
My whole fucking damn near left body is like fucking cramping like oh.
But shut your bitch ass up.
Whew, fuck, we got bamboo plants over here, shit.
Hey, hurry your bitch ass up, man. Come on, man.
I'm saying you missing the footage of the Ferraris and shit. You good?
Yeah. My toe cramped after I hit the cut.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie, ain't no worse cramp than like your hip or like your hamstring on that bitch, bro. That shit caught me on the highway before. I swear I almost fell. I almost jumped off that bike, bro. Well, Tommy's the leader.
Tommy.
Got GPS, get in front. Yo, I thought that cop was about to pull out on me because he saw you.
I know, I seen that. I was kind of looking back.
Hey, you know I was gonna hop off the highway on his ass.
Hell yeah, nigga.
And I was gonna hop right back on him. Crazy shit.
Yeah, by then, you would have had to just go back to because we would have already been on that
we would have been gone, nigga.
Literally, I was gonna hop off the highway and take the bridge back on some space to make him think I got off.
Y'all ready?
Where the fuck my? Hey, you can zip that down for me?
Say what?
You can zip the pocket down for me. I get my music back started, man.
Whew, nah, I ain't gonna cap gang that cramp.
Crazy. Wait, Nora.
Hey, Tommy. Don't lose me in these mountains, nigga.
Oh, I got you.
I ain't got no GPS.
Man, that wind flow feels so damn good. Yo, we gonna make that right. Make that next turn. Fool, he can't hear you while he riding a motorcycle. This turn right here. People, look at the mountain, baby. Yes, sir. Stop playing with me, baby. We is looking closer and closer now. This is where we started at, ladies and gents. So, ladies and gents, this is the infamous location of where we got held up at from that rain. Now, this is how we know we halfway to the mountain, and there's nothing gonna stop us. We are coming to summit that mountain today, ladies and gentlemen. This is how you know we're in the country now. This is so fucking beautiful, man. Look at this. Damn, this is so fucking beautiful. Would I want to live out here? Hell to the nah. Let me pull back my jacket so y'all can see my melanin. Man, this is a vibe out here. Look at these horses. Look at this man on his horse. Damn, son, this is so nice, bro. Y'all was never gonna be able to get this view in the rain, I'll tell you that much. Y'all go. Out here because I ain't trying to encounter these yee guys.
Bruh, shut your bitch ass
Final round. Fight! Finish him! Brutality. Well done.
Yes, Sirski! This is a perfect time to start learning some tricks. Yo, look at, yes! Yo, look at this. Yo, we made it to the mountain. Yo, we made it to the mountain. Nah. This shit is crazy. Oh my goodness, y'all don't know, dog. Y'all don't understand how happy I am that we made it to this mountain. Ladies and gents, we got people out here parachuting, boy. I know y'all know the vibes. This is a vibe out here, ladies and gents. This camera serves no justice. Apparently it's your boy's first time about to take off. We about to see history after we done created history today. But you know the vibe. So he's about to attempt to try to go over this cliff, boy. I'm trying to get some closer footage of what the fabric looks like.
Wait for better conditions.
She said wait for better conditions, baby. Huh, there's only one take of this. So you waiting for the wind to take off?
A little bit.
For the perfect wind size?
We need some wind like every airplane.
Ah,
Into the wind.
for a nice easy coast. Okay. Whew, ladies and gents. This was worth it. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I'm trying to walk up this mountain. Woo, this is crazy. This is its own vlog within itself. As you get higher and higher, this mother is a vibe, dog. I don't know if this is too fucking bright though. Dang, man, this makes you forget all your problems in life, dog. I ain't gonna lie, just coming up
Where
here.
is that not?
It's crazy how you can see the clouds. It's like the clouds is giving shade over there to the trees. That's amazing.
Y'all go to school over here?
Granny, you know damn well ain't no melanin boys coming to school up here in the country. No. Alright, ladies, take care, right? I will, thank you. Will do, thank you.
Cook that shit up, Quay.
Oh, she is out of here.
By the time we get in visual, by the time we get in visual, by the time we get in visual.